In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the File Manager to edit your website files effortlessly and safely. This is a crucial skill for anyone who works with websites, allowing you to make changes directly to your site's code and content. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to Files. You'll find this option in the left side menu of your web hosting control panel. Clicking on File Manager will open a window to access all your website's files. This is your main hub for navigating and managing the file structure of your site, so you'll find yourself using this frequently if you're maintaining a website. Next, look for the folder labeled with your website's name. Click on that to open it. Once inside, you're looking for the public/YAML folder, which you can access by double-clicking. It's important to understand that this folder is where all the magic happens because it contains the files that make up your website. Whenever you access your website in a browser, it's these files that are being called upon to display on the web page. Once you've located the file you need to edit, hover over it, right-click, and select Edit. Now, a quick tip before you dive in, consider making a backup copy of the file first. Right-click on the file again, and this time choose Copy. Doing this means you have a safety net in case something goes awry while editing. It's always better to be safe than sorry when working with files that are live on your site. After you've backed up your file, you can proceed to make changes in the text editor that opens up. Be careful while making edits to ensure you don't accidentally delete or alter something critical. This is your opportunity to update content, fix errors, or even make more complex changes depending on your skills and needs. While editing, try to be as precise and careful as you can be. After you've made your changes, saving them is simple. Look for the disk icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will save the modifications you've made to the file. It's always satisfying to hit that save button, knowing you've made the changes you wanted. And there you have it. You will have successfully edited your website files using the File Manager, ensuring they reflect the latest updates or changes you wanted to implement. Practicing these steps regularly will make you feel more confident in navigating and managing your website's files effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more web management tips and tutorials.